Our goal at Susan Taylor Real Estate Group is to achieve the best possible selling price for your home. So, how do we do that?
RE/MAX has offices in over 100 countries around the world. We can bring a buyer to the table more quickly than other brokerages may be able to. We've got a full-time administrator. We make sure that our listings are presented in a slick, professional way so that buyers are intrigued.
Our clients appreciate great results we achieve for them. We are proud of our 5-star rating and work tirelessly to maintain it.
It's a strong seller's market right now, and that can be really challenging for buyers trying to find a home. We're very connected in our communities, and this gives our buyer clients an edge.
Every buyer has different needs, wants, and criteria, and we take the time to understand your unique situation. By understanding what's important to you, we are able to land you the perfect home at the right time for the right price.
We look forward to meeting with you to discuss the sale of your home.